Hey you, tired of people telling you need to find a career, but no, you don't want to sit behind a desk the rest of your life? Yes? Do you enjoy working with your hands, like working on cars or doing repair work? Yes again? Well, I've got an opportunity for you in the printing industry. I know what you're thinking. Printing? Who prints things anymore? I can just do everything on my phone, tablet, or computer. Wait. Stop. Take a look around your room. That cereal box you just opened? Print it. That package you just got from your online order? Print it. The tag inside your favorite pair of pants? Print it. That poster on your bedroom wall? Print it. The label on your energy drink? Print it. So there's a lot more print in the world than you realized. But why would I want to work on printers? Well, believe it or not, an industrial printing press, aka the type of machine that prints all of those items you just found in your room, can weigh up to 127 tons. That's the equivalent of 4 loaded tractor trailers. An average printing press has about 12,000 moving machined parts. Many printing presses are completely custom built, with some costing over $1 million. Now, what if I told you could get paid to learn how to repair one of these machines? You heard me right. Paid to learn. No, I'm not talking about sitting at your desk all day and having a teacher stand up and lecture. I'm talking about truly hands-on learning where you'll have the opportunity to work with instructors right on the machines. With the Heidelberg Apprenticeship Program, you'll have the opportunity to learn the mechanical and electrical skills necessary to install and repair industrial printing presses all over the country. After a 2-month training program outside of Atlanta, you'll be placed with an experienced journeyman mentor for 2 to 3 years of in-depth hands-on training. Not only are you paid, you're also compensated separately for food and travel. Each apprentice is also given their own set of tools, and you'll have the opportunity to qualify for a company car. What's more is once the 3 years of training are over, you'll have a full-time job with a company that's been around for over 150 years, with room for future advancement. Some of our former apprentices are now managers and directors within the company. So do I have your interest yet?